Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use wildcards in saved search. Now see, you might have seen about SQL query wildcard, right? Select star from table name where name like. Same wildcards are used in saved search also. Case expression when expression like. Now you will put here the condition and then expression else end. Now let me show you with an example. For example, this is our sales order form, right? Now these are the warehouse location, but Vietnam location are closed temporarily. Now I want to generate a report and to show that Vietnam is temporarily closed. This location is temporarily closed. So we have to generate the report to present in front of the authorities. So we have to apply a formula where it can search Vietnam location and then it will add a separate column temporarily closed. It is basically used for reporting only. So let me show you how we have done this. Create a saved search and then put a formula text. Use here formula text like this formula text. And then you have to add this case here. Let me show you like this. Case when. Now customer record warehouse location. Warehouse location. This is the ID of this warehouse location, right? I have already shown you in my previous videos how to identify the ID. Like Vietnam ampersand then temporarily closed. So it will add here one more separate column, otherwise open. If I write here like Vietnam, like first three alphabets only, right? 3, 4 alphabets. And then also it will work. And now here we have to cancel this. And then I will save and run. Now I will show you. It will work because we have used here wildcard. So wherever it finds VIET, so it will add a new column and it will write down here temporarily closed. Otherwise, it will show open. Let me again. I think yes, here I make only 4 alphabets. Okay, and then I will save and run. Many times, client requirement is that they have to generate a report where they have to show all the sales rep that this location is temporarily closed. So how would we show this in the saved search report? So in this way, we can use wildcard. Again, let's have a quick recap. Case when, now here is the ID, where ID like, this is the general syntax, that is the pipeline, and then we have to put it into the bracket and then just write down whatever you want to show in that column. So this is how we generate the report according to the user's requirement. This is another most important wildcard option facility given in saved search. So with the help of this, you can generate the report. So I recommend you to test this and practice this wildcard. If you have any doubt or difficulty, you can note down in the comment box. I will resolve it. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. In our next video, we will see more options given in the saved search. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.